Look, I ain't no savage hunting down no poor, defenseless little bear mugs at Starbucks, but I did get this. Hi y'all, I'm April L. Butcher, your favorite consumer on social and your BFF in shopping. I'm here to prove that there are informed consumers here in America and to teach others around the world how to use common sense with shopping, girl. Look, shopping isn't a sin, like a lot of people try to make us believe, but it can be survival at times. And on this channel, I'm here to share all my shopping hacks that I've learned from my mom and family members over the years, and also to share what I love and what I purchase to help you guys be informed consumers. Also on this channel, I want to challenge brands, and I'm going to challenge brands to give us what we want, not what they think we need. And for all of you that are coming over from my other channel, I'm even going to sprinkle in some of my little PR advice when it comes to brands, because I do these really great deep dives and breakdowns into brands and the psyches of why brands do things. And as consumers, it's really informative to teach you guys how to be, cognizant of what brands do to get in our brains and get us to purchase. A lot of people from my other channel love that type of content, so I'm going to be trickling that over on here. So join me on this new journey by hitting that subscribe button, turn on those post notifications, girl, so we could go shopping together.